Hi there, welcome to 6054 83rd Place in Middle Village. Come on in. So this is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in Middle Village in original condition. It's been very well maintained. I want to point out first and foremost this beautiful front room, large living room, plenty of space here for all of your furnishings. You've got these beautiful hardwood floors. These are the original boards, I think, very good condition. They go all the way down the length of the house. So you got hardwood floors throughout the first floor. Let's check out the dining room. You do have exposures from the east and west in this house, so you get beautiful sunrise and sunset lighting. Here you have a great dining room. You could easily seat 8 people in this room. An older chandelier, which of course you could customize with your own new chandelier, but it's perfectly set up for a nice dining table here to entertain your family and friends on holidays or on the weekends, whenever you like. Another nice feature of this particular house is that the kitchen is semi-open to the dining room. In a lot of these older Middle Village homes, this will actually be completely closed off. So here you have a little bit more of an open layout. You do have this area here, which the new owner could customize with perhaps a little breakfast counter or something like that, which would make it a really convenient place to have breakfast and entertain guests. But it's nice that it's a little bit more open. It's obviously an original kitchen, so it is a little older, but it is in good, serviceable shape. Definitely a new buyer probably is going to want to renovate this kitchen, but it is in good shape and it's a good layout. You do have a dishwasher over here. A nice window over the sink, and you have a gas stove with your smoke hood, and then your appliances and an entry to the basement. Let's check out the upstairs. Everything is freshly painted, by the way. I want to mention that. Everything is freshly painted. The walls are in excellent condition, but let's head on upstairs. So now we're upstairs in this great 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Let's check out the front rooms here. So this is actually the 3rd bedroom. And what's great about this bedroom is its size. Because a lot of these houses, the 3rd bedroom is very, very small. And here you have a wonderfully sized and a wonderfully proportioned bedroom where you can actually fit a good sized bed, a full size, or a double bed. So here we have windows facing to the street, which is east. So you'll get great light early in the day. And right behind you, we do have a nice closet in original condition, beautiful original doors, and you have a lot of height in here. It's a great 3rd bedroom. Let's check out the 2nd bedroom, which is on the other side. Now this is the 2nd bedroom and it's even larger. It's a little bit deeper. It's about the same width, so both of the rooms are about the same width, but this has a lot more depth to it. Once again, you do have windows to the east overlooking the street. Double window here, so you're gonna get a lot of light here. You got the overhead light fixture and a lot of space in here. You could easily fit a bed plus extra furnishings, a dresser, maybe a desk, something like that. So it's a good sized room. Now let's check out the master. So let's look at the primary bedroom. So this is the largest bedroom in the house, the main bedroom. This is towards the back of the house. Once again, you have a nice overhead light. You have double windows facing west, which is the back of the house. Very, very quiet. You're not going to get a lot of noise here. The radiator, and the room is plenty large. Definitely big enough to fit a king size or a queen size bed, plus your furnishings, dresser, and what have you. 2 closets in the room. So you got one closet here, and you've got another closet right behind the door to this bedroom. Okay, so you could do his and hers closets here. Now, a future owner, if they chose, could break out the interior dividing wall here and create one large closet, totally up to the buyer. And I do want to point out one interesting feature of this room, and that is this light switch. This is actually a locking light switch. So once you turn it off, it doesn't turn on unless you push it in and then it turns on. So just a quick little note on that in case that comes up when you're touring the home. Now let's check out the bathroom. So the bathroom's in original condition. I'm gonna pop out of here and let you take a look at it, but it's you know, very original bathroom, but it's in very good shape. Take a look. So that's a tour of the upstairs. I guess now we should take a look at the basement. So you've seen most of the house now. Now we're gonna go down into the basement and check it out. So here we are in the basement. This is a full finished basement. Now this room would probably be used as a rec room or some type of craft room or something like that. It's been finished. You have the overhead light fixture, you've got a finished ceiling, finished walls, obviously older paneling. So the new owner, you might want to, change this out for regular drywall or what have you, but it's a very usable space. You've got a little panel here. This actually opens up to your electrical box and your meter. And then you have here a closet that's been built down here. So, you can use this for storage. This would be very easy to reconfigure. You could get rid of the closet and just have a big open space or what have you. Very, very easy to do those kinds of changes. Let me also mention the height of these ceilings, because a lot of basements have really, really low ceilings. This is actually probably a little under 8 feet. My hand usually reaches to 8 feet, so this is a little lower than that, but plenty of height. You're not gonna be bonking your head on the ceiling as you walk through your basement. Now let's take a look at some of the other features down here. Over on your left here would be where the washer and dryer goes, unless you choose to reconfigure this. This is the washer and dryer hookup here. Got a washer, no dryer currently. Here on your left, you have a full bath. So this is a full bathroom with a stand-up shower. And moving further back, right here to your left, are the furnace and the water heater, both in very, very good condition. Now, today is a bit of a rainy day. I'm sure you can see that. You do have a 2-car driveway here, and I'm not going to go out there right now because of the rain, but just to your right against this wall, is where the attached garage is. So there's a party driveway in the back, which you would access from this side of the block. You come in right down in here, and then there's a 1-car attached garage right here, plus space to park 2 cars. So you could park 3 cars here fairly easily. All right, so that's the finished basement. You can see here the dimensions of the rooms. So starting on the right upstairs, you have the primary bedroom being about 10.5 feet by 15 feet. The second bedroom's about 8.5 by 14. And the third bedroom is just under 8 feet by 11 feet. And on the main floor, your dining room is a 9.5 feet by 13. And the living room is an ample 13.5 by almost 19 feet. Middle Village is very attractive for its low density feel with single family and 2-family homes. You have a beautiful park nearby, Juniper Valley Park, which you can see here. It's just a few blocks from the home. Conveniences are nearby on Elliott Avenue and on Woodhaven Boulevard. The home is zoned for PS 49, which scores an 8 on greatschools.org. And it's close to both I-495 and multiple bus lines on Elliott Avenue. Thanks for watching this video tour of 6054 83rd Place in Middle Village. If you'd like to set up a private showing, make sure to get in touch with us through the contact information at the end of this video or in the description. Thanks again.